Hey guys, the market is finally coming to life and showing signs of a bullish narrative. Bitcoin is 72,000 and altcoins are finally starting to rise. The dominance of the top cryptocurrency is starting to diminish, which is the first sign of a real bull market. This means that very soon, all of our altcoins will be flying straight to new all-time highs. That's why I've decided to put together a list of altcoins that every serious investor should have in their portfolio. This video is perfect for those willing to take action now to reap the rewards of their investment later. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. Before we dive into our portfolio, I want to clarify that this is just my personal opinion and market analysis. So, I recommend doing your own research and always assessing all risks associated with investing. Let's start with some really big coins that have already proven themselves in the current market and continue to show their strength and potential. Why should you have such coins? It's simple. These coins can give you 3 to 4 times returns. Plus, they serve as a safe haven in the market where you can invest a significant part of your crypto funds, thus ensuring easy gains. This approach can provide you with a solid base that will offset losses in riskier trades, if any. So let's start with the most promising token, which I believe has more growth potential than other large market caps. Yes, I'll start with Solana because I think it looks much better than its direct competitors at the moment. Moreover, it has more potential for further growth. Despite all the advantages of the well-known Ethereum, I prefer Solana at the moment. Unfortunately, the largest altcoin was heavily overvalued just before the launch of spot Ethereum ETFs, which caused a lot of disappointment among investors. Meanwhile, Solana has only gained momentum, showing growth and becoming a real hub for the biggest current market trend, meme coins. Thousands of coins are created here every day, with people becoming millionaires and sometimes losing everything. This is also where a groundbreaking platform for creating your own meme coin, Pump Fun, was born. This project really changed the game. In addition, the ecosystem itself is growing at an incredible rate. The number of new startups on this blockchain has increased from just 8% a year ago to 18% this year. This crazy growth is also reflected in the TVL. All these factors lead me to believe that the current price is still a very attractive entry point. I also think it's quite possible that the price will go even higher. Moving on. Of course, I can't help but mention Ethereum. Although I find Solana more appealing, this asset is still very strong and will undoubtedly see further growth and new highs. While everyone on Twitter is joking about ETF investors who bought the coin for nearly $3,000 at the spot Ethereum ETF launch, I see this coin as a truly affordable opportunity to buy a top blockchain ecosystem with tens of thousands of the best projects. Despite the advantages of other blockchains, Ethereum still holds the top spot by a significant margin. Why is Ethereum number one? Well, almost 55% of the total crypto TVL belongs to this blockchain, which is an insane figure. Furthermore, the spot Ethereum ETF is already approved, which reduces SEC-related risks to zero. And while the ETF approval is a plus, it's also a minus for Ethereum, as it didn't meet traders' expectations. However, recent trading days have shown a shift in this narrative to a more positive outlook. I believe that Ethereum will maintain its dominance throughout this bull market and prove once again that it can be at the peak of popularity. Which 2 major coins would you add to this portfolio? Let me know. Next, I'd like to talk about the AI narrative, so I'm choosing the best representatives here. Of course, you could pick some riskier options, but we're adding only those coins that should definitely be in the portfolio. So I've chosen the best. Let's start with the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, a well-known project that, despite being Layer 1, has had a significant impact on the AI market. They were the first to create AI on the blockchain, providing transparency and security for all users. This allows other developers to launch their AI models directly on their blockchain. To date, ICP has already created several AI tools, an AI that converts text into images, a text-based AI, and even a breakthrough facial recognition and identification technology. Their ambitions are also focused on creating a secure AI that can be used by entire countries to solve global problems. So while everyone else is overlooking ICP and not taking it seriously, I see huge potential in this token. I think it has the power to change the world of AI. I think my regular viewers have already guessed which token I'm going to talk about next. Yes, it's render. Rendering is more important than ever, and when it's solved using AI, it's a real breakthrough. Rendering significantly reduces not only the cost, but also the resources needed to process materials. This technology has become a real savior for many industries. Render Network is leading the way, making it possible to process any format, style, or quality of material. Incidentally, as I was speaking, you were watching footage that had been processed using Render Network. The technology is truly impressive, and not just in words, but in partnerships. For example, Apple is using Render Network for its glasses and iPad with the new M4 processor, and NVIDIA has already entered into a strategic partnership with Render, and that's not all. The largest AI image generator is also integrating Render into its operations. By the way, Render is also part of the Grayscale Fund. This only underlines the potential of this project. So, without further ado, I'll just say this. I'm extremely bullish on Render and see growth potential of up to $150 to $200 in the near future. In this section, I'd like to return to the top blockchains and discuss key ecosystem products. Let's start with the Solana blockchain, which has a fantastic decentralized exchange, Jupiter. It's literally the heart of the entire blockchain, as this project is the largest and most important decentralized exchange in the entire Solana ecosystem. It's worth noting that this blockchain ranks first in terms of daily trading volume, with Jupiter accounting for most of that volume. Let me briefly tell you about the platform and the token itself. Basically, it's a large ecosystem that is expanding, with plans to create its own mobile app, a launchpad, and a DAO system where token stakers can earn quite well. But that's not all, they've gone much further. They've created their own terminal where you can trade Memecoins with both small and large market caps. This is aimed at more experienced traders in the Memecoin space, so given the current narrative, it can be said that this will become yet another much-needed and useful product in their ecosystem. As for the token, there are ongoing votes on the next steps for the founders. There is a huge amount of money locked up in the DAO at the moment, which is a positive sign and shows strong community confidence. However, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that not all of the token supply is currently in circulation. This creates additional risks when investing in this asset, but considering the professionalism of the team, the hype around Solana and more, I see no reason for concern. That's why I see further growth potential, and that's all I have. I would like to remind you that this video is by no means financial advice. It's just my vision and thoughts on the market, so you should always do your own research before investing and invest wisely. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel to not miss the rise of coins. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.